And if you come back here, okay, we are here at the Warrumbungles National Park, about to go on a walk. Forgot what the walk's called. I'll put it up on the screen below. Anyways, I'll see you guys up there. We'll get a good view of hopefully bread knife and a few other rock features and that. Take some shots and see what happens, eh? I'll catch you guys soon. We have finally made it to this place called Tor. It's one of the two lookouts we'll be stopping at, and actually the worst lookout of the two. The other one's a lot better, but still, it's actually quite a nice view of the West Bluff Peak and Mount Exmouth in the distance. But we'll try and take some shots here, even though it's like literally midday sun and I'm burning to a crisp up here. Yep, nearly at the top of Tor. I'm not going to video this going up. It's a bit of a scramble there. See you guys up there. We are finally at Tor, the second and better lookout, as you can see. Got a good view of the Warrumbungles, bread knife, Bluff Peak or whatever it's called. Bit of everything, eh? Mount Exmouth. And if you come back here, this is where we are. Nice little spot. Few trees and shrubs around, much nicer. And then down south over there, it's very hazy, so in terms of getting good shots, I could cheat and do black and white, get a bit of foreground element. Be nice and golden now, but I'm not staying up here that long. So we'll end the video here. It's quite nice, it's golden now, heading back to the car park. Hopefully I got some good shots. I haven't seen them yet, but you guys would have. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. God bless you all. I'll see you all in the next one. Laters.